Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Logitech Options, or GHUB, because software maps F keys and enables layer controls. Once done, confirm your keyboard is connected via USB or Bluetooth and that battery level is healthy. This prevents mid-setup dropouts. Next, locate the F key row and any physical FN lock or mode switch so you know whether keys send media or F1, F12. This initial check saves time and makes the mapping steps predictable, rather than guessing why keys behave differently. Next, you dive into mapping. Open the keyboard profile in Logitech Options, or GHUB, and switch to the F key layer. Then assign each F1 through F12 to the function you need, shortcuts, media, or complex macros, so you reduce repeated typing. Make app-specific profiles for productivity apps, and link profiles switching to a hotkey if you use multiple workflows. Also, configure FN lock behavior to choose default media versus standard F key actions. And finally, you test each F key in the apps where you'll use them, because practical verification catches conflicts and timing issues. Once confirmed, lock settings, update firmware if prompted, and make a habit of exporting profiles to avoid repeating setup. If keys misbehave, first restart the Logitech app and repair the keyboard. If still broken, update firmware or reset to defaults and re-import your saved profile. One tip: check for OS-level hotkeys that can override your mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.